Hi and welcome to another video in my closed stitch series. Today we'll be doing one of my favourite stitches, the Griddle Stitch. For this swatch I'm going to chain 12, but just make sure you chain an even number to start with. For row 1 we're going to start in the second chain from our hook with a single crochet. And now we're going to start our pattern repeat, where we're going to put a double crochet into the next stitch and then a single crochet into the next. So repeat placing double crochet and then single crochet until you get to the end of the row, where you should be ending with a single crochet. Now I'm at the end of the row and I'll finish with a single crochet. And that's the end of row 1. To start row 2, chain 3 and turn your work, and whenever you have a chain 3 it's going to count as your first double crochet. So into the second stitch you're going to place a single crochet and then start our pattern repeat with a double crochet into the next stitch and a single crochet into the next, and keep repeating this until the end of the row, where you will end with a double crochet. So I'm now at the end of the row where I will finish with a double crochet, and that's the end of row 2. For row 3 we're going to start with a chain 1, and the chain 1s do not count as a stitch, so we'll put a single crochet into that very first stitch and then start with our pattern repeat, where we're going to place a double crochet into the next stitch and a single crochet into the next, and continue this pattern until the end of the row, where you'll finish with a single crochet. At the end of this row, place your final single crochet into the top of the chain 3 from the row below. So to continue with this pattern, you want to alternate rows 2 and 3, and I'll show you what that looks like after a few more rows. And here's what my pattern looks like after a few more rows. The griddle stitch gives a beautiful texture. Just remember, when you start a row with double crochet, you end with double crochet. When you start a row with single crochet, you end with a single crochet. I hope you enjoyed this pattern, and I'll see you in the next one.